Good morning all of you. In today's class we will discuss about long wall short wall method of building estimate. After this session you will be able to find out quantities of different items of work that are associated with building construction. For example, earthwork in excavation, cement concrete, work in foundation, brick work in foundation and superstructure. Generally, before going to construct any project, it is necessary to find out the probable cost, which is worked out by estimating. In general, there are two methods of building estimate. The first one is long wall and short wall method. And second one is center line method. So, the dimensions, that is your length, breadth, height or depth required for quantity calculation are to be taken out from the drawings, such as your plan, section and elevation. But there is no hard and fast rule for taking out dimensions from the drawing, but it should be taken out accurately. So, let us come to the first method, that is your long wall and short wall method. This method is also known as your individual or separate wall method. Consider plan of a single room. The first step associated with long wall and short wall method is the selection of long wall and short wall. In this drawing, generally the wall which is running longitudinally is taken as long wall and the wall which is running transversely is taken as short wall. So, here in this drawing the selection part is over. This is your long wall and this one is your short wall. And then come to the next step, that is finding out the center to center length of long wall and short wall. So, see here, this is the center to center length of long wall and this is the center to center length of short wall. So, this long wall, length of the center line of the long wall is denoted as L dash and center to center length of short wall is denoted as B dash. And here also consider the thickness of the wall as your B. So, we can write it here, L dash is the center to center length of long wall B dash is the center to center length of short wall and small b is the thickness of wall. After taking out center to center length of long wall and short wall, in this particularly long wall short wall method, we need to find out the out to out length of long wall and in to in length of short wall. So, let us calculate our out to out length of long wall. So, what will be our out to out length of long wall? Our center to center length is of long wall is L dash and the thickness of the wall on each side is small b. So, the out to out length will be center to center length L dash plus half of the thickness on one side and half of the thickness on another side. So, this will be L dash plus b by 2 plus b by 2. In total, we can write it as L dash plus b. Similarly, next we will calculate our out in to in length of short wall. So, in to in length of short wall will be your center to center length is b dash small b dash plus not plus, see we need to find out the in to in length of short wall, that means from this to this. So, this will be equal to our center line length is capital B dash. So, center line length is B dash and from this center line length, if we will subtract half of the thickness of the wall from one side and half of the thickness from another side, then we will get our in to in length of the short wall. So, in total it will be b dash minus b. Now, we are with our out to out length of long wall and in to in length of short wall. So, to find out the quantity, we will multiply the corresponding breadth and height of the work with the long wall and with the short wall to get the total quantity. And in this procedure will be same for your earthwork in excavation, brickwork in foundation and cement concrete work in foundation. And remember one thing, please note that if the center line length will remain same for your starting from the superstructure up to the bottom of the foundation if your footings are symmetrical on either side. After this, let us take an example for calculating the brickwork. What will be the quantity of brickwork in superstructure? So, for this we will take the same plan and consider the length into in dimension of the room as 5 meter and 4 meter, that means 5 by 4. So, the inside dimension we are, for example, we will take the inside dimension as 5 meter by 4 meter and take the wall thickness as 30 centimeter. Okay, and your question is to find out the quantity of brickwork in superstructure. So how we will calculate the quantity of brickwork in superstructure? So first step is selection of long wall and short wall. So we will take the 5 meter side as our long wall and 4 meter side as our short wall. Then next second step is finding out center to center length of long wall. So in this case our center to center length will be in to in length is 5 meter. Then with that plus we will add half of the breadth. Half of the breadth means the thickness of the wall is 30 centimeter. So it will be 0.3. In case if we will convert it into meter, it will be 0.3 meter. So on one side it will be 0.3 by 2 and on the other side it will be 0.3 by 2. So total center to center length will be 5 plus 0.3, that is 5.3 meter. Similarly, center to center length of short wall will be (4 meter is in to in dimension. On both sides we will add half of the thickness, then it will be 4 plus 0.3 by 2 plus 0.3 by 2. So it will be 4.3 meter. Then this is the center to center length of long wall and short wall. Next step is calculation of out to out length of long wall and in to in length of short wall. So to get the quantities of long wall, what we have to do? We have to find out the out to out length of the long wall. So out to out length of long wall will be 5.3 meter is center to center length. Out to out length will be so with center to center length, our center to center length of long wall, center to center length of long wall, with center to center length of long wall, we will add half of the breadth on one side and half of the breadth on other side. So half of the breadth on one side is 0.3 by 2. Similarly for other side it is 0.3 by 2. Center to center length of long wall we have already calculated, that is 5.3 plus 0.3 by 2 plus 0.3 by 2, again plus 0.3, and it will be 5.6 meter. Okay. Then we will calculate in to in length of short wall. So in to in length of short wall, we are with center to center, we are with us the center to center length of our short wall, that is 4.3. So from 4.3, if we will subtract half of the breadth from one side and half of the breadth from the other side, we will get the in to in dimension. So minus 0.3 by 2 and again minus 0.3 by 2. So it will be 4.3 minus 0.3, that is 4 meter. So in this way we are calculating our out to out length and in to in length of short wall. So with this out to out length of long wall, if we will multiply out to out length of long wall is 5.6 meter. So, to get the quantity of brickwork in superstructure in long wall, we will multiply the out to out length of long wall, out to out length of long wall into, what is our aim to? Our aim is to find out the quantity of brickwork in superstructure. So, breadth of the superstructure wall is 30 centimeter. So, in terms of meter it will be 0.3 meter, and we need the height of the superstructure. So, height of the superstructure is given in your sectional elevation part, that is your ceiling height. So, suppose your ceiling height is given as 3 meter. So, out to out length is 5.6 into 0.3 into height of the superstructure wall. As we are finding out the quantity of superstructure, brickwork in superstructure, so you will take the ceiling height. So, this is, suppose for example it is 3 meter. Then by multiplying these 3, we will get the quantity of long wall, brickwork in superstructure in long wall. Similarly, for short wall, again for short wall, quantity of short wall, your length is given 4 meter. With that you will multiply your corresponding breadth and height of the superstructure wall to get the quantity of brickwork in superstructure in short wall. So, after getting the long wall quantity and short wall quantity, you will simply add up both these quantities to get the total quantity required for brickwork in superstructure. So, similarly, we can calculate the other items of wall. So, this is for today's class. In the next class, we will study the second method of building estimate, that is center line method. Thank you.